Introducing the Advanced Jewellery Diploma, a one-year part-time online course to improve yourself as a maker, developing your technical jewellery making abilities in stone setting, advanced metalwork, and diversifying your vocabulary of skills as a jeweller. This is the third year in a series of 3 online jewellery diploma programs from Jewellers Academy, following on from the 1-year Diploma in Silver Jewellery and the Year 2 Diploma in Fine Jewellery. Year 3 focuses on developing your technical making skills with techniques such as pave setting, tension and channel setting, creating halo settings, a hollow hinged bangle, eternity bands, kinetic jewellery, cluster settings, filigree with gold, ring construction, Russian wedding rings, mixed media projects, brooches, working with wood, brass and screws, and much more. All taught by industry experts including Master Goldsmith and stone setter Scott McIntyre, statement catwalk jewellery designer Michael Malloy, who has worked with Marc Jacobs, Louis Vuitton and Coach, and who teaches at the prestigious Central St Martin's School. Experienced bench jeweller and teacher Hayley Kruger, who has exhibited her work at the Victoria and Albert Museum and published in Vogue, Stylist and Marie Claire, to name a few. Alongside award-winning fine jewellery designer Anelia Caprina, talented filigree artist Michelle Vier, and experienced bench jeweller Barbara Yard. This course combines professionally filmed online programs with a comprehensive support package for students, including fortnightly group Zoom sessions, one-to-one mentoring, and weekly technical Q&As with these incredible jewellers. Alongside this is the daily support inside the Facebook group and working in small groups to build community, networking opportunities and growth for you as a jeweller. To find out more, come and join us on an online open day session or book a discovery call with us to see if this program is right for you. You can also follow the link to a page with the full course program and enrolment on. There are limited spaces, so early booking is strongly advised. We can't wait to work together on building your skills to help create your dream jewellery business and career in jewellery.